Hi and welcome. I'm trying to learn geography. Today, the geography or the oceanography of the Mediterranean Sea. And that while doing martial arts basic training. And if you participate in the martial arts basic training in the second half of the video, that is the tail of this. Now we already had gone through them. That is the second part of the Mediterranean Sea video, or series. And now we want to record what we learned on second video. We learned that there is the Strait of Gibraltar, the Gulf of Lion, the Gulf of Genoa, and the Ligurian Sea. That there's the Strait of Bonifacio. The Strait of Bonifacio and the Tyrrhenian Sea, and the Adriatic Sea, and the Ionian Sea, and the Aegean Sea, and the Gulf of Taranto. And now I want to save it in a second camera, which I have next to it one, as a little presentation, so that other people have it all. The Mediterranean Sea is between Europe and Africa, there. And some areas of it are the Strait of Gibraltar between Spain and Morocco. There's the Strait of Gibraltar. And that whole thing is the Mediterranean Sea. And there is the city Lyon, and there's now the Gulf of Lyon. There's the city Genoa, and there is the Gulf of Genoa, and there's the region in Italy, Liguria, so that is the Ligurian Sea. Between Corsica and Sardinia, there's the Strait of Bonifacio, and then on the west side of Italy there's the Tyrrhenian Sea, and on the east side there's the Adriatic Sea. And then down here on the west side of Greece is the Ionian Sea, here's Greek, and on the east side of all these isles there's the Aegean Sea. Okay, that was a little video, and with what we're done. So if you were just here for the learning geography of the Mediterranean Sea part 2, then you can go directly to the next video. We will do now the martial arts basic training. If you participate in the martial arts basic training, let us sit here on this. We are bringing one foot up, we're doing the martial and point the foot down. I'm going to stop the camera. The second one. I'm bringing the leg up and we're pointing the foot down. And the other leg up and point the foot down. Now the crane. We're taking the foot at the ankle, make a straight back, and bring the knee down to the ground as far as it goes, and that stretches the quad muscles. So straight back and the knee to the direction of the ground. And the other leg, take it at the ankle, straight back, and bring the knee into the direction of the ground. Next exercise, we're doing the train stop. The feet of the foot, the toes of the foot pointing forward, and we're stretching the inner side of the leg. And we're going to the other side. The toes are pointing forward, and we're stretching the inner side of the leg. And we're going from side to side, the mantis. And the last two. Now we're doing lunges. We're falling in front, going down and back. And back. Oh, leg now. Back again. And the last time. And now bring one knee up, bring it back, making 3 steps. Other knee up and back. The knee up and back and again up. Back. We're doing 3 steps in the middle. You don't really have to do it. And the last time up and back and with the other leg. And back. Now stretch kicks. One arm out, kick against it. The other arm out and kick against it. And again. And again. You can do 3 steps in the middle. And the last time with each leg. And now the frog, knee up and back, And the last time. For each leg. And now crush can kicks. Leg up, back, up, back. The other one up and back, up. And the last time. For each leg. And now we're doing swing kicks. So one leg up and then swing it over. Step back, 1, 2, 3 steps, over and over. 1, 2, 3, up, over, and 1, 2, 3. Step back and run. And the last time with each leg. Now we're just doing 10 push-ups. Hands underneath the shoulders and the elbows close to the rib cage. And down was the first one, the second one, third one, and out, fourth one, and fifth one. And we have 7 already, and 8, and 9, and now the 10th. And just stretching. One leg with the heel onto the ground and pull the toes in. The foot to the left and pull the toes in. The foot to the right and pull the toes in. Foot into the middle and pull the toes in and move the leg from left to right. The other leg with the heel onto the ground and pull the toes in. And to the right and pull the toes in. No, first. To the left and pull the toes in. To the middle and pull the toes in. And move the leg from left to right. We're doing the trunk ignite. Breathe in. And again out. Again in. Out. And breathe in and close the legs. And out. That was the martial arts basic training. Thank you very much and until next time.